Did you know that 80% of pregnant women experience some form of discomfort? Pregnancy is a time filled with joy, anticipation, and a whole lot of change. But let's be real, it can also be pretty uncomfortable. From morning sickness to back pain, there's no shortage of physical challenges that come with carrying a tiny human. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll be sharing some healthy food and habits that'll make your pregnancy journey a little more comfortable. So grab a snack and get ready to learn about 7 things you need to know about pregnancy. It's time to get your prenatal vitamins. Before you even think about getting pregnant, start taking a prenatal vitamin. It's important to make sure that you have enough folic acid in your diet, as this can help prevent birth defects. Number 2. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. We all know that fruits and veggies are important for our health. But did you know that they're also important for your baby's development? Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber that are essential for a healthy pregnancy. So make sure to eat plenty of them. Some great options include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as fruits like bananas and oranges. Number 3. Don't forget the protein. Protein is an essential nutrient for both you and your baby. It helps with the development of your baby's tissues and organs, as well as your own health. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and tofu. Number 4. Choose whole grains. Whole grains are another important source of nutrients for you and your baby. They contain fiber, iron, and other essential vitamins and minerals. Look for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. 5. Stay hydrated. It's important to drink plenty of water during pregnancy. This will help keep you and your baby hydrated and prevent complications like dehydration and Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Number 6. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. It's best to avoid alcohol and caffeine during pregnancy. Alcohol can cause birth defects and other serious problems for your baby, and caffeine can cause miscarriage or premature labor. Number 7. Get enough rest. Getting enough sleep is important for a healthy pregnancy. Aim for at least 8 hours of sleep per night. If you're feeling tired during the day, take a nap if you can. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. With the right support and information, you can have a happy and healthy pregnancy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.